Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlet with Scarlet's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got an unboxing today. This is the one that I have been waiting like forever for. I ended up having to do a pre-order on this, and it took, oh my god, probably almost 4 months to get this. But I did just get it the other day, and I am super excited because this is one of the canvases that I have wanted ever since I started diamond painting. So, this is, like I said, from Diamond Art Club, and as you can see from the pink line, it is a round. On the back has your kit contents and your instructions on how to diamond paint. So, what is it? This is what it is. Sweet Tooth. I have seen so many people do this one, and I have just been absolutely in love with it ever since I started working on diamond paintings. So, it is Sweet Tooth from Myka Jelina. It is a round. It is a 56 by 76 centimeter. Now, there's no ABs in here, but there is a glow-in-the-dark drill. So, let's go ahead and get this thing opened up. And I hope everybody's doing great today. Now, this is the last kit that I have purchased. Don't know when I'll be purchasing anything else for a while. And if you don't know what I'm talking about, just go watch my last whipping chat, and I explained everything in that. So, let's see what this thing looks like. So I think I might have y'all at a weird angle on my phone. So I'm still trying to get used to this new setup that I'm having to do. Alright. So everything that comes in this box is empty. So it comes with your kit and your little sticker that a lot of people put on the ends of their boxes. I don't. I put this in my diamond painting journal that I have. I write every single thing down. Alright, so with the Diamond Art Club kit, you get a single placer, pen, a few baggies. Ooh, they put a bunch of baggies in here. There's more. Alright, I think I got all of them. Alright, you get the blue squishy. You get the clear tray with the spout. And you get 2 heart-shaped wax and a 4-placer, which I love the 4-placers. Those are my favorite. And that's about the only thing that I have mastered is a 4-placer. I have tried the 7, and it just takes me more time to fix them because I get them crooked than it does to just either use a 4-placer or a single placer. So anyway, there's your kit for that. Set that over to the side. Alright. Throw that over there out of the way. And let's see what she looks like. Alright. There's the drills that comes with it. You get your little pamphlet with your step-by-step instructions on here. And of course, your 10% off your next purchase code. Alright, you get that. Here is the sticker, the big sticker that comes with it, and as you can see, these are the newer stickers because they are all separated. And you have your start date, end date on there. Again, it is Sweet Tooth by Myka Jelina, and she is a round 56 by 76 centimeter, and she has a glow-in-the-dark drill. So they have it charted as the P, and it is sorry, I'm trying to get y'all in camera shot. Anyway, it is the E907. I'm going to turn the light on and see, because I'm actually just using, yeah, you can't tell any difference. Anyway, I've got natural light, so, and it's a little cloudy. It's supposed to rain today, so y'all might not be getting the best quality video on this one. So anyway, there's that. And we'll look at the drills here in a minute. I am going to flip this over so that it can relax. And I guess we will go ahead and open up the drills. Y'all, it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing, so I'm kind of out of sorts on doing it. So y'all have to forgive me on that. Alright, so let's go with the obvious first. Oh my god, at the 310s. Yeah, 310s. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 bags of 310s. Alright, then you've got 37.56, and then you have 38.65, and you have 1, 2, 3, 4 bags of that. Okay, so I'm just going to go through real quick. There's the glow-in-the-dark, and they give you 2 bags of the glow-in-the-dark, which is E907. Alright. Hope y'all can see these. And I can't tell what angle I have my phone sitting on. Alright, there's that one. When I go back to upload this, I'll probably have to flip my camera setting around to where you can see it. Alright, so there's these. Like I said, I don't know, I can't tell if it's, y'all, I'm sorry. It is what it is. I'm trying. Let me move that out of the way, maybe. That will help to focus. So honestly I can't tell if it's focusing on these colors or not. Oh well. But I am very excited to get this canvas. I just love the colors. I love Myka Jelina. I really want all of her canvases, all of her paintings. That is my goal anyway, eventually, is to get all of them. I have quite a few of them already. Alright, so there's those, and I'll just wait until after my video to put those back in their bag because it takes me a minute and it is loud. So, isn't she gorgeous? Alright, I'm going to lift you up so maybe we can get the whole canvas in shot. There again, like I said, I cannot tell. I think we're good, but I'm not exactly sure. But isn't she pretty? She's so pretty. And I have got big plans. I have got sparklers and I have got ABs that I am going to use in here. I'll probably, I don't know, what is, it's the pea. Pea is glow in the dark, so I can already see the peas in the bodice. And then there's some peas in her hair. There's some peas in the ring. I'm sure they're probably scattered all throughout the candies and everything. There's some in our eyes. Let's see. Let me bring you down a little bit. And I am sorry about the glare. Let's see. Yeah, there's some, they're just, the glow in the dark is just sprinkled everywhere, which is going to be cool. But I do know that I do want to enhance the crown, the candy, her eyes, of course, makeup. She's got a piercing right there. I'll probably use a sparkler. I want to enhance her fingernails, her tattoos. Again, the candy bracelets. Yeah, I got plans for this. And I cannot wait to get started. I've already kitted up another canvas because I wasn't sure how long it was going to take to get this one. And then I just, the other day, got an email said, hey, we've shipped your canvas. So, and I'd already kitted up Melody, so, but that's fine because I'm excited to start on Melody, which is another Myka Jelina canvas. Actually, right now, that's all I have. I've got a couple more. I've got about four more Myka Jelina kits. So, I don't know which one I'll start when I get done with Melody. It'll either be this one or it'll be, Lumina. But this one is gorgeous. So pretty. And I'm just sitting here looking at it. So, okay, so anyway, this was my unboxing. And I'll put all of these on here. Like I said, y'all, it's been a minute since I've done an unboxing video, so I'm just kind of throwing this stuff out there. But that is what you get with this, is your kit, your stickers, your drills, and your canvas. And she is just absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so anyway, that's about all I got for this. Like I said, it was not a very long video. It doesn't take a long time to do an unboxing video. So hopefully I can get another whip and chat in within the next few days or so. I don't know. I don't want to give schedules because with my life, I have no schedules. And, you know, I say I'm going to do something and then something happens and I can't. So I just rather just not even try to do a schedule. It's, you hit the little notification bell and that's how you're going to know when I post a video. So anyway, to all my subscribers, thank you for sticking with me. For anybody that is new, thank you for subscribing. Hopefully, you know, you'll stay, and I'm going to try to get out some more stuff, or more videos. Anyway, so I guess until my next video, y'all, I will see everybody later. Bye, y'all.